Okay, I'm gonna record this. I don't know if you can hear it. You hear that little whistling or hissing. So usually that's caused by some kind of restriction. Okay. I'm gonna turn this so it's closed, so that's causing a restriction. I'm gonna open it. Noise is gone. Same thing over here. Noise is gone.